Welcome to Linear Equations in Two Variables Lecture 5. Till now we learned how to solve linear simultaneous equations by different methods. Now in this lecture we are going to learn how to solve nonlinear simultaneous equations. Before starting, let's revise what are conditions for equation to be linear equations. So conditions are: it must contain exact two variables, and second, degree of each term containing variable must be 1. Which means the equations which satisfy these conditions are linear equations, and equation which does not satisfy these conditions are nonlinear equations. Mostly in exam, nonlinear equations will contain variables in denominator. Now let's first understand why equations with variable in denominator are nonlinear equations. Suppose we have equation 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 6. So step 1 will be to make the denominator same. For that we will cross multiply. So we will get 2y plus 3x upon xy is equal to 6. Now we will move this xy on right hand side. So we will get 2y plus 3x is equal to 6xy. Now we have two variables, that's fine, but now we will check the degree of each term containing variable. So first we will check the degree of 2y. So as you can see, there is only y and power of y is 1. So degree will be 1. Next, the degree of 3x. As there is only one variable x and the power of x is 1. So degree of 3x will also be 1. Now we will find out the degree of 6xy. So as you can see, there are two variables x and y. So the degree of term 6xy will be 2, since power of x is 1 and power of y is 1. So sum of their power will be 2. So degree of 6xy is equal to 2. So as you can see, degree of term containing variable is not 1. So this equation is not a linear equation. It is a non-linear equation. Now let's understand how to solve nonlinear simultaneous equations. For that we will take one example. Suppose we have equation 1 upon 2 3x plus 4y plus 1 upon 5 2x minus 3y is equal to 1 by 4, and 5 upon 3x plus 4y minus 2 upon 2x minus 3y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So my step 1 will be to reduce nonlinear equations into linear equation. So in step 1 we will convert the nonlinear variables with common term from both the equations into linear variable. इसका ही मतलब आप देख सकते हो कि दोनों इक्वेशन में 1 upon 3x plus 4y is common. So I will replace this 1 upon 3x plus 4y with another variable, let's say m, and 1 upon 2x minus 3y is again common in both equations. So I will replace that 1 upon 2x minus 3y with variable n. So we will get m upon 2 plus n by 5 is equal to 1 by 4. m ऊपर क्यों आया? क्योंकि हम लोग ने 1 upon 3x plus 4y whole को replace किया है. So this will be my third equation, and second 5m minus 2n is equal to minus 3 by 2. Equation number 4. Since we have converted nonlinear equations into linear equations in step 1, my step 2 will be to solve simultaneous equations by any one method. So in previous lectures, we learned how to solve simultaneous equation by elimination method, substitution method, graphical method and determinant method. So आप ये equations जो आपको मिले हैं step 1 में, उसको आप कौन से भी एक method से solve कर सकते हो, whichever you like. We are going to solve this simultaneous equation by elimination method. For that, we will multiply equation number 3 by 20. So we will get 20m by 2 plus 20n by 5 is equal to 20 by 4. So after simplification, we will get 10m plus 4n is equal to 5. This will be my equation number 5. Now we are going to multiply equation number 4 by 2. So we will get 5 into 2m minus 2 into 2n is equal to minus 3 into 2 upon 2. So after simplification we will get 10m minus 4n is equal to minus 3. This is my equation number 6. So now you can see it has term with variable n as common, plus 4n minus 4n. So when there is opposite sign, for same term, then we will add. So adding equation 5 and 6, we will get 10m plus 4n is equal to 5 plus 10m minus 4n is equal to minus 3. So 10m plus 10m will be 20m plus 4n minus 4n will get cancelled, and 5 minus 3 will be 2. So 20m is equal to minus 2. Therefore m will be 1 by 10. To find variable n, we will put m is equal to 1 by 10 in equation number 5. So we will get 10 into 1 by 10 plus 4n is equal to 5. 10 will get cancelled, so we will get 1 plus 4n is equal to 5. 1 will shift to right hand side, so we will get 4n is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. So therefore n will be equal to 1. So we have got the value of both the variables m and n. Since in step 2 we got the values of variable m and n, in step 3 we will replace that variables by their original values. So initially we have considered 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to m. So we will put the value of m here. So we will get 1 upon 3x plus 4y is equal to 1 by 10, and 1 upon 2x minus 3y, which was equal to n, will be replaced by 1 upon 2x minus 3y equal to 1. Now we will cross multiply. So we will get 10 is equal to 3x plus 4y. This is my equation number 7, and I will move this 2x minus 3y to right hand side. So I will get 1 is equal to 2x minus 3y, equation number 8. Now we will make the term containing x variable common. So for that we will multiply equation number 7 by 2. So we will get 20 is equal to 6x plus 8y, which is my equation number 9, and I will multiply equation number 8 by 3. So I will get 3 is equal to 6x minus 9y, which is equation number 10. So as you can see, the term containing variable x is now same. Since term containing variable x is same and they have same sign, we will subtract equation number 10 from equation number 9. So we will get 20 is equal to 6x plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 6x minus 9y. We will change the sign of below equation. So it is plus 3, so it will be minus 6x, again minus 9y, so it will be plus. So 20 minus 3 will be 17 equals to 6x get cancelled, plus 8y plus 9y will be 17y. So 17 is equal to 17y. Y is equal to 17 upon 17. Therefore y is equal to 1. So we have got the value of y, which is equal to 1. Now we will put value of y is equal to 1 in equation number 8 to get the value of x. So 1 is equal to 2x minus 3 into 1. Now this 3 will move to left hand side. So 1 plus 3 will be 4. 4 is equal to 2x. X is equal to 4 upon 2, which is therefore x is equal to 2. So in this way we have got the value of x and y. So the solution of nonlinear simultaneous equation is 2, 1. Now let's revise how to solve nonlinear simultaneous equation with the help of flowchart. So my step 1 is to reduce nonlinear equation into linear equation. Then solve simultaneous equation by any one method. Then replace variables by their original value, and after substituting that values you will get the solution of nonlinear simultaneous equations. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt you can ask in comment section. Notes are provided on our website. Link to the website is given below in description box. And if you want to learn how to solve linear simultaneous equation, then go watch previous lectures. Link to the previous lectures are given below in description box.